In this video, I will show you how you can fix Spotify Wrapped not showing on your account. Now, I'm going to show you 3 ways, so make sure you watch till the end, just in case one of the methods do not work for you. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to head over to a browser, and in this video, I will go to Google Chrome. What you need to do then is search for Spotify Wrapped, and then as you will notice at the top, there is now an option for 2023 Wrapped. If we click on this, that will then redirect us over to here. We can then log in to our account, or we can then get redirected over to the Spotify app. Once you do this, you should be able to see your Spotify Wrapped. If not, what we can do is we can head on back, go over to our Play Store, search for Spotify, and then once we search for Spotify, we just want to make sure that we are on the latest Spotify update. If not, you can then click on update, and then once we have updated our Spotify, you can then head back over and see if this method has worked. The last method we can try is if we go back over, go to our settings, scroll down until we see the option for apps, click on apps, and then you can then search for Spotify. Once you open up the Spotify section right here, you can scroll down until you see the option for storage, and then once we do this, you want to clear cache. Once you clear cache, what this will do is it will essentially just reset your Spotify, and then once we do this, once you go ahead and go back over to your Spotify app, you should then be able to see your Spotify Wrapped. So it's just that simple. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.